Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Pop-ups are a powerful tool for grabbing attention and driving action when they pop. In this video, we're going to create this pop-up along with its beautiful animations from scratch. Let's get started. In the WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New Plugin. Search for Pop-up Builder in the search bar, then install and activate the Slider and Pop-up Builder by Depicter. Head to Depicter, then go to Pop-up. Here you can see that there are a bunch of templates that you can choose from, but we want to create one from scratch. So either click on this option or go to Create a Blank, then Pop-up. Set the width and height of the pop-up and create it. Give the pop-up a background color and continue to add other elements like a close button, a heading text, and customize them as you wish. Right-click on the heading and click on Duplicate, or simply press Ctrl-D on your keyboard. Customize the element's position. Add a call to action button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Now it's time to add the flowers and plants vectors. Moreover, place them on the top and bottom of your pop-up to spice things up. Give one of the top vectors a custom transform in animation. Set the direction to the top and customize it to your liking. Then right-click on it and in Copy and Paste Specials, click on Copy Animation. Head to the other vectors, right-click on each and click on Paste Animation. Then go to each vector's animation setting and customize the things that you want to change in them, like movement, scale, rotate value, origin, and so on. Now head to the vectors at the bottom. Set the direction to the bottom and continue to paste and customize the settings just like before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Play the animations to see how they look. It would be so cool if the text had an animation. So select this one. Go to Animation, select the text animation, then the Scaling Words animation, and set this option to letter, meaning that the text will appear letter by letter. Right-click on it. Hover over Copy and Paste Special, then copy the animation. Now head to the other texts, right-click on each and select Paste Animation. You can customize whatever you want about them afterward. For example, you can give each a scale and a rotate value. Click on the button and give it a move-in animation. A short move from down looks fine. Customize it and you're done. It's time to see our hands work. Let's preview our pop-up. Turned out so nice. Almost done. Look for the Publish button. Click on Publish Now. You might see a pop-up window asking if you want to set some rules for when and where your new pop-up appears on your website. We'll skip that for now and just click Publish Now again. And there you have it. Your beautiful pop-up is live on your website. That's all we have for today. I hope this video helped you create a pop-up for your website. Thanks for watching. Bye.